Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on PS5 and TV at the same time by enabling one touch play option. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. First go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system, under system select HDMI. Under HDMI here we can find enable one touch play. By default this would be disabled. Let me enable. Done. After this we can turn on both PS5 and TV at the same time, so that way we can save time. See the message, if you turn on your PS5 the connected device will also turn on and switch its input to the PS5. So this is a feature, so this way we can enable it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.